This is a pomegranate, a beautiful bright red pomegranate. And did you know that this guy originated from Iran and even some parts of Afghanistan? Whoa, let's put our hands together and thank him for coming all the way to the Cornie Lab. But before we take a look in the inside, let's get a closer look on the outside. This is a bright, beautiful, and shiny pomegranate. Well, now that we know what the outside looks like, let's take a look in the inside. All right. But wait, always have an adult with you when dealing with sharp objects. Let's see what's inside. How should we cut it? Maybe this way. Or this way. It's juicy. Whoa. This is what's inside a pomegranate. Incredible. Has a lot of seeds in it. Wow. It's really juicy for it to be so hard. Really juicy. Let's take a deeper dive in. Whoopsie. Whoa. The pomegranate is filled with juice and seeds. And it's extremely juicy. Did you guys see that? The pomegranate is filled with juice and seeds. And it's extremely juicy. The pomegranate is filled with juice and tons of seeds that are literally exploding when you press them. Whoa, that's incredible. Well, have you ever wondered what's inside a pomegranate? Today, your question has been answered. Well, that's all that I have for this video. We got to get this guy put back together because he has to catch a trip all the way back to Iran or Afghanistan. Or either way, we have to put him together. Thanks, Mr. Pomegranate. In the name of science.